Right, we're in the garage with the cameraman. Right, so this is the damage. And apparently, Leon, you know what we're going to do. What we're going to take off. Show me.
See that big box?
Yeah.
That heavy, big box. That's got to come off. Back bit's got to come off. This has got to come off as well, I believe. And we just loosen it over there. And it goes from there. Off.
All off. And that's a good 13 kilogram in exchange for, what's
9.
the Scorpion? 9? 9. And 4 horsepower.
4 more extra horsepower.
Because you need the extra 4 horsepower.
Yeah, need it.
Need.
Where's the knife?
Come on, man. Get a knife. Let's get it unboxed. What a beautiful box. Nice.
Oh.
Quick, bro.
What shall it be hiding?
To pull out.
Be careful. There's one big shaft. Where's the instructions? There's the instructions. So, one pipe.
One pipe.
One instructions.
One instructions. We don't need them.
One thing about things.
The thingy-my-bobby.
And here's the bit I'm waiting for. This is the...
Crank it open.
This is where I cry if it's wrong.
That would be wrong, is it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pardon.
Oh, look at that! It's got a red ring!
Why is that exciting?
Yeah, man, look at that. Oh, well excited about that.
Lovely. One beast. One score. That is a lot smaller.
It is, eh?
Yeah. Hold it there. Well, that's going to rattle. Look at that, straight through. Nice. I can see straight down there. First step. Well, second step. This first step was ripping it out of the box.
So this is doing some bracket stuff.
Bracket stuff. Spacers. Photo instructions. That's what we need.
That is all you need. You don't need to read shit.
No, we don't read round here. Let's get the crayon out.
That
bracket is on.
Hold on, so it's missing now. Nothing.
Bit locked on.
Oh, what's this? Thank you. Feel the power. Thank you.
Still looking at crap. Oh. Get it undone. Come on, that one. I see that comes loose. Alright, yeah, cool. And then we take this off.
Yeah.
Just leave that on there then.
That's it.
Undo that. Yeah.
That bugger.
Do it.
That bugger. Oh.
Back box off. Come on. So that one we need to save because you're going to reuse that on the new Scorpion exhaust.
Repurpose. Yeah.
Rag it off. Come on, use the muscles.
It's coming. Oh, it is coming, yeah.
Come on.
Yes.
Oh! Abracadabra. Foot peg.
Off.
Top and bottom. You're enjoying yourself a bit there.
I'm enjoying a little bit of screwing.
Nothing else attached to it?
Nope.
Ah! Okay, so it's attached into a rubber grommet underneath here.
So you just got to pull the rubber grommet out?
No, just got to pull the whole thing that way.
Okay.
Oh, of course there is. There is another one holding it on. It's that bad boy there, look. Hello. Oh, hello there. Right. Ah, dear.
Better get to that one as well.
Yep.
Oh.
Just on unlock.
There we go. See, I told you we should have checked the instructions.
I don't do instructions. Get one.
Good.
Yep. Brute force.
Put the brakes on.
Put my sunglasses on. Oh.
Ah! I broke it. Hold that.
All there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oosh!
That's new.
There's bloody water in there.
Water.
Bloody water in it.
Jesus.
Look at that. Heat shield. It's lovely, isn't it? Look at quality on that.
They've done a good old job, haven't they?
Yeah, that'll sound nice.
Would help if I put the bloody tube clip in first, wouldn't it? There we go. There we go.
Sexy. We probably need to think about where there we tighten that, because once this comes forward.
I don't do thinking.
Are we there yet?
No. We're miles off anything here.
How about now?
No.
How about now?
No.
So, what did we just discover?
We've got to reuse the original gasket. So I've had to chop this one out of there with a screwdriver. Because I don't have a gasket removal tool. So we need to use that. North American bikes do not require a gasket. Rest of the world does.
To be fair,
We are not North America.
they did tell us, we just don't listen. So, let's do a little bit of fitting. Whoa. Have to loosen that a bit now.
Oh, that's better.
Like a glove.
That's better.
I'm hoping people enjoy the professional fitting video we're doing.
This is why it has that rim on the end so it doesn't go back in. Oh, you bastard! Get out there, you slag. There we go. Fits like a glove, man. And now I just tighten it slightly up but keep it loose so that we can move it around. Oh, how do you use these things? There we go. She's on. Back box time.
There's another clip.
Does it just slides on? Oh, no bugger. Just slides on, look. Come on, you donkey. Oh, that fits nice.
Like a glove.
Yeah, that needs to angle slightly better.
Yes. In my hand.
Now we just need to align it all. Put this back on. Long one. Top one. Get in there, go on. And the short one goes back in the bottom. It's back in the bottom, she said.
Try not to break it so it's nice and tight. Not too tight. There she is, nice and tight. 13 mils. Ooh, torque setting alpha. Then there's one at the top here. Tighten that up. Here's me. I've got it, I've got it. Nice. Just tighten that up. Clips me, baby. Look at that, like these clips.
Scorpion.
Yes. These are well doody, these are. I'm gonna need like a. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that with my hand. No, I need it. I need it. Ooh, that's all that pizza I've been eating. Oh, look at that. Bing, bing, bing. Oh, what a donkey. Let's do it that way. It's bloody easier. Oh, man. Yeah! Ready? Ding, ding, ding. going to take the pan for a serious burn so you can hear the exhaust. Are you ready to ride, Mr. Rider? Do it.